The world's largest aircraft, coming from the house of Paul Allens Stratolaunch Systems, has just cleared the first phase of its engine testing. The enormous aircraft, which boasts 2 fuselages and a wingspan of 385 feet enough to cover a football field, fired all of its 6 Pratt & Whitney turbofan engines for the first time at the company's facility at the Mojave Air and Spaceport in California. Conducted in 3 phases, the engine test followed a well-defined build-up approach. Firstly, the team started with the dry motor test, where they used an auxiliary power source to charge the engines. Next came the wet motor, where fuel was introduced to the engines. Finally, they turned on each engine individually and allowed them to idle. All 6 delivered the expected results, according to the aerospace company. Stratolaunch ultimately aims to use its megaplane as a launch platform to provide low-cost access to low Earth orbit. The company, founded in 2011, has designed the aircraft to carry rockets up to a certain altitude, where they would detach and fire engines to complete the rest of its space journey. The one-of-a-kind plane will have a maximum takeoff weight of 1.3 million pounds and will carry a rocket payloads up to 550,000 pounds attached underneath the wing connecting its 2 fuselages. Turbofan engines of the aircraft. Alan Schwartz. The latest engine test comes as part of several tests Stratolaunch has been conducting in order to take its massive plane to the skies. Back in May, the aerospace giant moved the megaplane out of its hangar for the first time to start the series of tests. Moving ahead, it will conduct more engine tests and taxi tests. All these efforts suggest the company is closing in on that ultimate first flight, but for now, there's no fixed word on when we might see the behemoth of a plane cruising and carrying rockets into the sky.